Everybody, welcome to News Work on Cars, and today we are going to replace the brake light for this 2013 Ford Focus. Push on the brake, let's take a look. As you can see, right one works, left one doesn't work. So let's get at it. With Ford wisdom, to change the bulb over here, you have to take the whole tail light assembly out, then you'll be able to access the bulb. So let's open the trunk, we'll go on the inside, show you how to take it out. Alright, the first tip, as you can see, there's notches here. You just push at it in here. You have two wing nuts, it's plastic. You can take them by hand if you're like Hercules, but let's grab pliers and we'll do it. All right. And I've noticed this wing nut have a notch in it, so probably like flathead might do it too. Now let's go on the outside. This headlight should get out. There you go. So as you can see, you got a couple lights, you got the brake on the bottom, and you got here is the turn signal. Basically twist, and here you go, that's your tail light. Okay, this is the new one. It's a 3157 bulb, and when you're working with the new bulb, you have to be careful not to touch the glass, because you know the oils and dirt on your hand will shorten the life of the bulb. So let's take the old one. It's a little bit hot. All right, and I don't have tissue with me at the moment, or a glove, so we'll do it this way. There you go. And we'll put it back in. There's a couple notches in here. Okay, come on. Here we go. See, that's it. Take it out like this. Put it back in. Make sure this goes over here. That's it. Let's go all the way around. And we'll put the wing nuts back in. And for this one, you see these three goes over here. And that's it. Let's close the trunk and give it a try. Alright, and this is basically how you change the tail light and tail light bulb inside your 2014 Ford Focus. And it works on other models. If your car looks like this is the process you do it. And thank you for watching. I hope you like the video and have a great day.